So today I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to Bluetooth settings on your phone. So you wanna go into settings, then go to Bluetooth, and then under Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on and it's gonna start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. So what you need to do is put your Bluetooth headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, depending on the brand, the process could be different. For these ones, all I have to do is long press on the power button until they go into pairing mode, and then tap on refresh. And then as you can see, it's going to start scanning again and detect my Bluetooth headphones. So tap on the name. There's going to be a pairing request. Tap on pair. Connected. And they're gonna get paired and connected to your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.